Welcome to the informative Nubia Red Magic 7S, and I'll show you how to unlock number on this device. So first let's open the phone application and then switch phone to the three dot section. After that, click here to check out the intercepted phone. Click here to the settings icon and select numbers in blacklist section. Here we can see the two numbers in our blacklist, and if you want to remove one from these numbers, for example, let's use this one, just click on this number and tap remove from blacklist. After that, just confirm your action, and that's it. By the same way, you can remove all of the numbers from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.